What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys having an amazing day. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. So if you guys haven't seen my last YouTube video, the link will be down in the description box. So guys, take a guess what I will be doing in today's video. Yep, you guys already guessed it. I will be doing a different mod to my Lexus. I picked up this new 2020 Premium RC LC ES push start button, and I will be unboxing this and I will show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so let's just unbox this real fast.
A few moments later.
Damn! Check this out. This looks sick.
So guys, here's the stock button that comes with my car. It's nice. I'm not saying it's any bad, but check this out. This is so premium. If we can focus right there. Guys, comment down below which one do you like. Do you like the stock or you like the new premium one? Please comment down below and let me know. So guys, in order to remove the button, first you have to take this ring off. With that, I'm just going to use this plastic pry tool to pry it out. Just like that, so this thing comes off. And what you do is you just put your fingernail and you dig here. Just dig it really hard. And this whole panel comes out. So guys, once you have this half panel pulled out, all you do is just put your two finger and push it from the back, and the push start button pops out just like this. Okay guys, from this you just gotta push this down a little bit and then take this off just like that, so the old push start button comes off. Okay guys, once you have the old button out, it's time to put the new one in. Take a look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So what do? Take the plug and you just put it in. Okay. Just like that. And the way it comes out. There you go. Now it's in the place. Let's see if it works. So I'm about to start the car. Woo! It works.
Offers plus pricey contracts.
Yeah. So let me start the car real fast. All right. Press the brake. Oh man, so good. And that's how you install. That's how you install the new push start button, and all you gotta do is just push everything back in just like that. And there you go. You have your new premium push start button for your Lexus. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you comment and like this video, okay? And let me know down in the comment section which button do you like. Do you like the old stock button or do you like the new one, the premium one? I'll see you guys in the next one.